Hello, Ms. Steinman's class, and welcome to another problem-solving tutorial using strip diagrams. This tutorial is for comparison problems. We have the strip diagrams up on top and an example problem. A comparison problem is always going to be when I have two or more things and I'm trying to compare them, like how many more people came on this day or this day, how many more stickers does this person have than this person. I'm comparing two things. As always, our first step is to read our problem. On Saturday, 786 people visited the zoo. On Sunday, 429 people visited. How many more people visited the zoo on Saturday than on Sunday? We know it's a compare because we're asking how many more people visited on Saturday than on a Sunday. So there's 2 days and we're trying to figure out how many more came on one of the days. Our next step will be to draw our strip diagram. As you can see up at the top right, my compare strip diagram looks like this. The next step is to circle my important information. So I know that on Saturday, 786 people visited. I know on Sunday, 429 people visited. And I'm always going to underline my question, how many more people visited the zoo on Saturday than on Sunday? My next step would be to fill in my strip diagram. So when I'm using a comparison strip diagram, I know that my larger quantity is always going to be on top. So the larger number is going to go on the top. In this case, Saturday would be my larger number with 786 people. So this can be Saturday. I'm comparing it to Sunday, so my Sunday is going to go on the bottom because it's my smaller quantity or lower number. So 429 goes on the bottom. And this dotted box, I like to kind of call it an imaginary box because it's going to be the difference, or how many more, or how many less. It's not a real number, it's our compare number. So that's why it's dotted, because it's not an actual physical number. It's not a real amount of people, it's just how many more people. So I always write the keywords here, how many more, how many less, whatever it happens to be. If we are missing a number on the bottom, here's our mystery number, we go ahead and subtract. So we can write 786 minus 429. If I'm adding or subtracting, doesn't matter. I start in my ones place. I'm subtracting, so I'm going to put a dot by my bigger number, more on the floor, go next door, borrow some more. My 8 becomes a 7, my 6 becomes a 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. My answer would be 357 more people visited on Saturday than on Sunday.